Let me say something a lot of creators don't realize early enough. Growth online is not just about posting consistently. Growth online is about building a content ecosystem. But unfortunately, a lot of creators don't have that. They only have one format. Some people only create short form videos like Reels, TikToks. Some people create only long form videos for YouTube. Some just like to write threads. But when you rely on just one format, you're limiting how people can interact with you. Because the truth is, people consume differently. Some people want quick information, some people want depth, some only want to read, while some other people want to have conversations. A healthy creator ecosystem allows all of this. Now, let me break it down. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. If you have not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. My name is Fisayo and I help confused creators show up with clarity, with confidence, with strong positioning, with impact, with influence, with everything. First, you need short form videos, and this is your discovery engine. Short form videos like Reels, like TikToks, like YouTube Shorts are how people find you. They are quick, they are easy to consume, and they spread fast. But short form videos have limitations. It only gives people a taste, but it rarely gives them depth. You can spark curiosity in 30 seconds, but you cannot teach a full framework in 30 seconds. And that is where the second layer comes in. The second layer of your content ecosystem is long form content. And this is where authority is built. Long form videos like YouTube, podcasts, or deep educational content allows you to expand your thinking. So instead of saying, here are 3 tips, you can now explain why those tips work, when they fail, and how to apply them. So this is where people stop seeing you as just a content creator and they begin to see you as a deep thinker. So short form content brings attention while long form content builds authority. But we're not done yet. The third layer is written authority posts. Now, this is one place most creators ignore. Writing forces clarity. When you write posts on LinkedIn, when you write posts on Threads or on Substack, or even thoughtful captions, something powerful happens. You slow down your thinking, you break down ideas, you structure arguments. And the thing about writing is when people read your writing, they begin to see how you think, right? Not just what you say. So videos show personality, writing shows intellectual depth. That's why some creators are able to dominate platforms like LinkedIn and Substack, because written content positions them as serious voices in their field. And then the final layer is community conversations. This is the part many creators skip, including myself. Content alone is not community. A real ecosystem includes spaces where people interact with you and with each other. So that could be a Telegram group, that could be a WhatsApp group, that could be a Discord community, that could be a Facebook group. I used to have a Facebook group called Digital Entrepreneurs Community. And I was building it to a point where people were beginning to interact with each other. And when people start interacting with each other in your community, know that you have created a growing community. You have created a community where ideas can be exchanged. It could also be a newsletter reply system. It could be live sessions like Instagram Live, YouTube Live, TikTok Live, and it could be regular comment conversations. This is where people stop being followers and people start being participants. One thing I've realized in this content ecosystem, in this entire online community, is that when people feel like they are part of something, they stay longer, they stay committed. So now when you've combined all four, something powerful happens. Short form content brings people in, long form content builds authority, written posts deepen your ideas, community conversations build loyalty. Now you're building a creator ecosystem, and ecosystems are sustainable. Now, if one platform changes its algorithm, your entire online presence doesn't collapse. People can still find you, people can still listen to you, people can still read from you, and people can still talk with you. That's how serious creators grow. They don't grow by chasing formats. They don't grow by chasing algorithm. Serious creators grow by building an ecosystem where ideas can live in multiple forms. If you're a creator that feels like you have been posting and posting and posting and growth feels slow, it might not be because you are inconsistent. It might be because your content exists in only one format. So what you want to do is to start thinking multiple formats. Start thinking ecosystem and not just content. Now, before you get to the point where you start thinking ecosystem, you need to nail your content creation. You need to figure out whatever is hindering you from creating content. There are a lot of mindset blocks that might be stopping you from showing up. I have a tool, it's a workbook, it's called the Clarity Reset Workbook, and it will help you get clear on who you are speaking to, what value you want to share. That's where you need to start from. It is only when you've gotten clarity that you can move to start building ecosystem. Now, if you want the workbook, I'll put a link to it in my description. You can check it out. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. I'll talk to you in the next video.